Hi everyone, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rinima Borah and today we are diving into something that's been highly requested over the last few months, my hair extensions and wig collection. Now, as you know, I truly have been obsessed with experimenting with different hairstyles and extensions. Truly have been my best friend for switching up my looks effortlessly. Today, I will take you through my collection as to how I style them and where you can get them, how much it's gonna cost, so on and so forth. Let's jump right in. Let's talk about a look that's elegant and timeless, my middle partition low bun. For this, what I'm using is a scrunchy bun, which is priced at just rupees 800. And to elevate the look, I'm gonna add the front bangs, priced at about 1,100. Now let me tell you, bangs are one of my most favorite hairstyles ever. I mean, as someone with a large forehead, I sometimes do like to cover it. I mean, like all the times, do like to cover it up to keep the focus off. And honestly, it gives me such a flattering look. I've always got the best compliments. I have them on right now. I'm actually wearing them right now, so yeah. Plus, let's not forget, bangs are just perfect for covering those unexpected pimples or acne or whatever that keeps showing up on our forehead without invitation. Right now, I have some 10 acne for some hormone injections I took last month, but nevertheless, for me, I feel it's both style and a little bit of self-care. You know, we're moving on to a long wavy ponytail. It is one of my absolute favorites. It's already pre-waved. That's what I love about this ponytail. So I save time styling them. This one is again about 24 inches long and it's priced at, I think, 8,400. I also have the same ponytail in a short wavy version, which is about 18 inches in length and cost 5,450. I play around the length depending on my mood. And honestly, both of them, long or short, gives such a fun and stylish vibe. Alright, let's bring in some drama with long braided ponytail. Inspired by one and only Kim Kardashian's iconic braided look, this 36 to 40 inch ponytail is such a bold statement piece. It's priced at 15,000. It's a tad bit expensive compared to the other extensions that I have, but let me tell you, it's worth it if you want to be the center of attention. It has never disappointed me and I feel I'm a whole different personality when I have that long. I should have actually worn that right now. I forgot. I know why. But anywho, it's truly changes me. I become a different person. All right, now the most used extension of mine is this one, which is basically if you're looking for adding both length and volume to your hair, this is the perfect extension. It's 24 inches long with an 8-inch width and costs between 20 to 23,000 rupees. It blends so seamlessly with your natural hair and gives you that extra glam factor. You know, you just, like I said, extensions are just like, I think, into 10x confidence. I'm telling you, tried and tested. But here is my new look for 2025, a bob wig. So this chic wig is about 12,500. It is perfect for those days when I want a shorter hairstyle without, the commitment of cutting my hair, because I do love the length of, this is my real hair by the way right now. I love the length. It's so easy to style. It looks super trendy. I remember wanting this hairstyle after seeing one of Kourtney Kardashian's iconic look with her whole Dolce & Gabbana ensemble. She really had it shorter though, but I kind of like this length, but I think I'm gonna get my hands on the shorter one as well. But for those of you who want a little volume without too much length, we also have an option. This one's for you. So these medium length extension are 20 inch long, 8 inch width and priced at 9,400. So they're great for your casual, everyday office going styles that still gives you that extra boost, but not too much of a length. So it's not too dramatic, but at the same time, it's a very casual look. So yeah. Long, straight ponytail. This is about 24 inches long and gives that polished look. Perfect for any occasion, whether it's for a formal event or a casual outing. This piece is priced at about 8,400 rupees, give or take. Trust me, it's worth every penny for that effortless glam look. I really do want to emphasize something super important about hair extensions. I'm not maybe a pro or whatever, but using them for 6-7 years, I've gained some experience. Please always invest in natural hair extensions because everything that you saw today of my collection is from 100% natural hair, and there's a reason why I swear by them. Because again, having used extensions personally for the last 5 to 7 years, I will confidently say that natural hair extensions, it gives you the most seamless, flawless and natural look. Trust me, most people, forget most people, no one can ever realize or tell that I'm wearing extensions because they blend so well with my natural hair, right? Sure, they're a little pricier, but they're so much more sustainable. Longevity-wise, they last way longer than synthetic options. They style beautifully, just like your natural hair. And most importantly, they don't have that unnatural, shiny, synthetic finish that kind of synthetic hair or non-natural hair tends to have. So if you're someone new and you're counting on my advice in terms of extensions, please don't feel like you need to buy all of them at once. I know you might want to, I wanted to, but I did not, because that would be madness and too expensive unless you're a billionaire. So start small, experiment with different styles, figure out what works best for you. Remember, one piece of natural hair can be styled in so many different ways. So it's an investment worth making, if I have to give you that honest opinion. And get creative, have fun, and remember, a little hair never hurt anybody. All right, the million-dollar question that I get all the time on my Instagram: where do I buy your extensions? So here you go. All of these amazing hair extensions and the wig are from Salon Labs, based right here in Bengaluru, my city. Naveen, who is the owner, is an incredible person, great human being. He's been my go-to person for hair for the last 7 years. The prices, though, that I mentioned are the prices I bought them for, so they're a little discounted since I buy a lot of hair from the guy. So prices may vary, so please don't come for me. Just be sure to check with him directly or with Salon Labs. And if you mention my name, you might get a little extra discount being a loyal customer, and if Naveen's in a good mood that day. So I will leave his contact details and Instagram handle in the description box below, as well as flash it here, so you can reach out to him or to Salon Labs directly for all your hair needs, questions that you might have. But thank you so much for watching. If you loved this video and all my other videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below your favorite hairstyle, ask any questions that you would like to. I'll be more than happy to answer. And the most important part, don't forget to subscribe for more glam and lifestyle content. I do that once a month. Until next time, beautiful women and men, stay fabulous. And like I said, one hair extension at a time. And don't let anybody tell you that you don't need extra hair. You're just dumb. Bye.